Welcome everyone. Today I am going to explain the topic is email protocols. There are three protocols we are going to see under this topic: the POP3 and IMAP and SMTP. And first we are going to some concepts under introduction. Email protocols are the rules that control how emails are sent, received and stored over the internet. So here there are three main protocols we are using in emails. SMTP, that is called a simple mail transfer protocol. POP3, post office protocol, the version of 3. IMAP, internet message access protocol. So the next one is simple mail transfer protocol. It is a protocol used for sending emails from one system to another system. It works on port 25 or port 587 in secure. So SMTP operates in a push mode. It means pushes email from the sender mail client to all the mail server or from one mail server to another mail. For example, when we send an email through Gmail or Outlook, SMTP handles that processes. So here SMTP, how it works. Yes, how SMTP works step by step we will see. First, the user composes and sends an email. The SMTP client connects to the SMTP server, which is then forwards the message to the recipient's mail server. Finally, the recipient server stores the message so it can be retrieved. So the next one is POP3, which is called Post Office Protocol version 3. POP3 is used to retrieve emails from the mail server to the user's device. It works on port 110 or port 995 for secure POP3 connections. When we use POP3, emails are downloaded to your devices and are usually deleted from the server. This makes POP3 suitable for single device access, which is called one-way synchronization. We will not reply to that request mail. So the next one is POP3 features. POP3 allows offline access after downloading emails. It is simple and fast but has limited synchronization. Since it doesn't keep any emails on the server, it is not suitable for people who check mails on the multiple devices. It works only one email in a one mobile phone or any one devices. So the next one is IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. On the other hand, allows us to view our mails directly from the server without deleting them. So it works on port 143 or 993 for secure IMAP. IMAP enables synchronization across multiple devices. Before that, POP3 was only in one-way synchronization, but here the IMAP enables synchronization across multiple devices, which means we can check our mails on our phone, laptop or tablet and see the same inbox everywhere. So the next one is IMAP features. With IMAP, we can access emails from multiple devices and messages remain on the server until deleted. It supports features like folder search and read or unread message status. However, it requires more server storage compared to POP3. So, and then comparison of POP3 and IMAP. Let's compare both POP3 and IMAP. Here POP3 downloads and removes email from the server, while IMAP keeps them on the server. POP3 is the best for a single device, but IMAP is better for users who need synchronization across multiple devices. So the next one is role of SMTP, POP3 and IMAP. SMTP is responsible for sending outgoing messages, while POP3 and IMAP are used for receiving incoming messages. Together, these protocols ensure that emails can be sent and received smoothly. So the next one is advantages and uses. SMTP is reliable for sending messages, and then POP3 provides a simple and offline email experience. IMAP allows modern multi-device access with synchronization. So each and every protocol has its own advantage depending on the user's need. So let us discuss some summary of the SMTP, POP3 and IMAP here. SMTP handles the sending of emails, while POP3 and IMAP manage receiving. IMAP is the preferred choice today because it supports access from multiple devices. Together, these three protocols form the backbone of email communication. So the next one is references. There are some references here textbooks on computer networks, Ferozan and Tan Banham. The next one is how the email communication between sender and receiver. Some data flow diagram is here. How the communication flow happens. The sender's email client uses SMTP to send the messages to the mail server. The recipient's mail server receives it, and the recipient retrieves the message using the either POP3 or IMAP.